Ever wish you could take your old, blurry videos and instantly transform them into crisp, modern 4K masterpieces? In this video, I'm going to show you how to do exactly that using VideoProc Converter AI. Whether you have shaky phone footage, old family videos, or action cam clips, we're going to upscale them step by step. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about what makes VideoProc Converter AI different. It's designed as a one-stop AI media solution. Instead of just being a basic converter, it uses advanced AI models to enhance your video, image, and audio quality. Its standout feature is the Super Resolution V3 model, which is specifically designed to upscale videos to 4K while adding realistic details and making the colors look incredibly vivid. What's really impressive under the hood is its speed. Video processing can usually crawl your computer to a halt, but VideoProc uses Level 3 hardware acceleration. It fully leverages your GPU, whether you're running Intel, AMD, NVIDIA, or even Apple Silicon from M1 all the way up to the M5 series. They claim this can make processing up to 47 times faster in real time, meaning you won't have to leave your computer running overnight just to upscale a short family video. Beyond upscaling, the software has a few other powerful AI tools built right in. If you have shaky footage from a GoPro, drone, or phone, you can use their video stabilization. There's also frame interpolation, which adds smooth transition frames to create beautiful slow-motion effects. And if your audio is a mess, their AI can instantly remove background noise, or even isolate vocals and instrumentals from a track. Now, to keep things completely honest, while the official features and specs look incredibly powerful on paper, we currently have limited independent user reviews in our database for this specific version. Because of that, we highly recommend downloading their free trial version first. This lets you test the AI upscaling on your own specific hardware and footage to see if the speed and quality live up to the claims before committing. If you want to try it out and give your old videos a brand new, modern look, head over to videoproc.com to download it. Let me know in the comments how the 4K upscaling worked for your footage. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you out, and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. See you in the next one.